welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this video, we are still working on combining like terms. There's a lot of little pesky things that can happen. So I'm making lots of videos to help get this solid in your brain. Okay, so we know from previous videos, go watch them if you haven't. We know how to distribute, and we know when we're combining like terms, we distribute first, then combine like terms. So this first one I did on purpose because it's got a little tricky spot in it. It's this spot in the middle right here. I see there's parentheses, but I don't necessarily see what I'm supposed to distribute. It's because there's an invisible one right here. And we have to be careful when there's a negative in front of the parentheses. We are distributing a -1. I am circling it so that I do not miss that negative. The -1 gets multiplied to both numbers. So that's going to give me a 6x. Just bring that, I would say down, but I'm coming over here for space. Just bring that to wherever you're working, and then let's distribute. -1 times 4x gives me a -4x, a -4x. -1 times +3 becomes a -3, so -3. Now we can look for our like terms. These are our like terms because they both have x's and just x's with our number. No y's, no exponents, nothing like that. Like terms have to have the exact same looking variable piece. So 6 minus 4 gives me a 2. The x comes along for the ride. And then that 3, we just subtract 3 from the end because it doesn't have anything to stick with it. Number 2. Again, we're doing the same ideas over and over again. I'm just showing you things that I've noticed kids miss a lot. So we're going to distribute first. So multiply by 2 here. That gives me 6x plus 8. Here, a lot of people don't distribute the negative correctly. That's why I circle it before I multiply. We are multiplying by a -4, not just a regular 4. -4. Negative times a negative gives me a positive. 4 times 6 is 24. The x comes along for the ride. -4 times -1 gives me a +4. If you are not careful, you'll get the sign wrong down here somewhere. And then when you try to put your numbers together, combine your like terms, it's going to throw you off. So be careful with those negatives. Circle them like I do. Or if you have a highlighter, highlighting them is another good way to do that. 6x is one of my x terms, and then here's another x term. Combine those together, I get 30x, and then +8 plus 4 gives me +12 for my constant term. Remember, we're looking for the variable part to be the same, and then we can add or subtract the coefficients, the big numbers, depending on what sign is there. I hope that was helpful. I think I have 1, maybe 2 more parts to this series, but make sure you watch all the parts for combining like terms because I showed you lots of just kind of variations and tricky spots that can happen. If you have more questions, please make sure you reach out to us at amtutors.com. We have certified math teachers that are ready to set up some online tutoring sessions for you to get you the help that you need one-on-one. Also, remember to like and subscribe so you always get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.